Let's see what is reduce in Python. Reduce is a built-in function that applies a given function to the elements of iterable, reducing them to a single value. Let's see with an example. I'm going to define a function that takes two arguments, return a single value plus b. The second thing we require is an iterable, like an example list. We can have a list. This is a list, and then the third step we are going to call the reduce function. So for calling the reduce function, we have to import function tools, which will provide the reduce function. From function tools, import reduce function. After that, we are going to use the reduce function. First, it will take a function and then the iterable, that is a list. We are going to store this into a variable result. Now let's print the result out. Print result. Here we got a single value